if you want to find, or if you want to open URL link on your phone, and you've been hit with the error that you can't open a URL or a link on your phone, and you want to fix that problem, here's a step-by-step guide on how to pull that off. So first of all, go ahead to your settings, and then basically go ahead to general, and then basically go ahead to scroll a little bit down until you find the transfer reset iPhone. Click transfer reset iPhone, double click the reset button, and reset all settings, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, go back to your main settings, right, and try to pin down the Safari. So I'm gonna try to pin down Safari. Okay, then basically go ahead to Safari, scroll a little bit down, and then you're gonna be able to see the last option right here, advanced. Click on it, and you're gonna be able to see the website data, right? You probably can't open that link, or maybe you are facing that issue because you have too much storage. So go ahead and click the edit at the top right, and then basically remove all the links, or just go ahead and remove all website data if you don't want to select a couple of them. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.